Hello everybody. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. I know you guys hate unboxings. I know some of you guys do, but I'm sorry. This is going to be an unboxing and kind of a product review, not really, because I'm not really going to review it. I'm just going to use it and show you what I can get done with it straight out of the box. This video has been 3 weeks in the making. 3 weeks ago I stopped by Smoky Mountain Knife Works and I picked up a new toy. My new toy is this double-headed axe, well, large hatchet I guess you'd call it, made by S.O.G Knives. Says here I paid a whopping price of $29.95 for it. I figured I'd give it a shot, have a look at it, see what it would do. If it does the job, it does the job. If it doesn't do the job, I'm only out 30 bucks and I've got something I can turn into a weapon. I don't know. Chop somebody's head off with it. I'm going to use my handy dandy trusty pocket knife. We'll split the package. You'll have to excuse the cough. I'm a little bit sinus problems. Open the packaging up very unceremoniously, and this is what you get. It's a double-sided, double-headed, looks like very uniform resin composite handle. Side note on this, these are the same handles they put on their tomahawks, and from what I understand, the tomahawks have a lifetime guarantee on the handle. You break the handle throwing them, trying to practice throwing them, they'll send you a new one. It seems to be a solid head with a tang, and the handle looks like a got a split cut in it. It's kind of bolted on. Haven't touched it yet. Let's see. Seems to be relatively sharp right out of the box. Who would have thunk it? Little weight to it, little forward balance to it. Not a lot of wedge action for splitting, but I don't know. I might take it out and try it in the woods. We'll see how it does on this. Let's see, also in the box, the blister pack is a piece of useless cardboard. And the sheath that goes with it. 4 snaps. Let's see, 4 snaps, 4 rivets, and some sewn together heavy nylon cordura material. Oh, let's see if it'll fit in there without slicing the thing to death. Seems to be purpose made. I don't know about the snaps though. I'd rather see a product with a little bit of a heavier snap on it. The rivets have holes in them. I don't know if you can see that. They have holes in them. Put it against this muted color shirt I'm wearing. I don't know, the S.O.G line seems to be pretty good. We'll try it out. Just so happens I have a small piece of wood of unknown species and origin. I'll move the camera down and we'll just prop it up at an angle here and we'll see what we can get done with it. Okay. Let's see. Just lightly striking. It feathers up quite nicely. Let's see how we chop on the big head. Seems to bite and cut in fairly decent. Yeah, I guess it works as well as a Harbor Freight hatchet. So anyway, I'll get this thing out. I'll get this thing out in the woods and see what she does, and maybe I can do a little update video on this. Till then, y'all have a great day.